Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated camera releases of 2025, the Sony A7V. With the latest leaks, rumors, and industry speculation, we're here to break down everything you need to know about Sony's upcoming hybrid mirrorless powerhouse. If you're a photography or videography enthusiast, you won't want to miss this. Sony A7V. Expected release date and registration leak. Sony has recently registered a new camera model under the code WW272726 with the Wireless Certification Agency. Historically, such registrations have preceded official announcements by about 2 to 3 months. Based on this pattern, industry insiders predict that the Sony A7V will likely be unveiled in March or April 2025. Another model, WW27226, was spotted on January 21, 2025, adding further speculation that multiple Sony Alpha models may be coming in Q2 2025. Sony has been setting industry benchmarks with its Alpha lineup, and the A7V is expected to be another game-changer. The Sony A7 IV, launched in December 2021, quickly established itself as a hybrid photography and videography beast. Featuring a 33MP full-frame sensor, a Bionz XR processor, and cutting-edge autofocus technology, the A7 IV set a high standard for hybrid cameras. The A7V is expected to elevate those features even further, making it one of the most anticipated mirrorless cameras of the year. Sony A7V. Rumored specs and features. 1. Sensor and image quality. The A7V is rumored to retain the 33MP full-frame backside illuminated CMOS sensor found in the A7 IV, but with notable enhancements. Sony may introduce an improved version with increased light sensitivity, resulting in superior low-light performance and improved dynamic range. 2. Next-gen Bionz XR Plus processor. Sony is likely upgrading the processor to a next-gen Bionz XR Plus chip, possibly enhanced with AI capabilities. This would enable faster processing speeds, more refined noise reduction, and superior color accuracy. AI-powered autofocus is expected to receive a major boost, making subject tracking even more accurate, whether for wildlife, sports, or street photography. 3. Revolutionary autofocus and AI tracking. Sony's real-time autofocus is already industry-leading, and with the A7V, improvements could include enhanced AI-powered real-time tracking, better eye detection for humans, animals, and birds, and more intelligent predictive focus. If Sony integrates machine learning advancements, the A7V could offer unparalleled autofocus accuracy, even in challenging shooting conditions. 4. 6K oversampled video and 4K 120 frames per second. The A7V is rumored to feature 6K oversampling, allowing for sharper, more detailed 4K footage. Additionally, reports suggest it may support 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, providing filmmakers with ultra-smooth slow-motion capabilities. The camera could also introduce an updated S-Cinetone color profile for richer cinematic footage. 5. Enhanced in-body stabilization. Sony may introduce an improved 8-stop in-body image stabilization system, surpassing competitors like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and Nikon Z6 II. This would provide exceptional handheld shooting capabilities, making the A7V ideal for videographers and photographers working in dynamic environments. Price and expected launch date. Current estimates place the Sony A7 versus price between $2,500 and $2,800, positioning it as a premium hybrid camera. With a potential launch window of March to May 2025, Sony seems poised to redefine what a mirrorless camera can offer in terms of hybrid photo and video performance. How does the A7V compare to competitors? The Sony A7V is expected to compete directly with models like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and the Nikon Z6 III. Here's how the A7V might stack up. Canon EOS R6 Mark II features a 24.2MP sensor, dual-pixel autofocus, and 6K external recording. However, Sony's rumored 33MP sensor, AI-powered autofocus, and 4K 120 frames per second capabilities could give it a competitive edge. Nikon Z6 III. Expected to have a new stacked sensor design with improved autofocus. Sony's superior real-time tracking and image stabilization may still make it the preferred choice for hybrid shooters. Sony FX32. A new era for filmmakers? In addition to the A7V, Sony is also preparing to launch the FX32, an upgrade to the beloved FX3 cinema camera. Designed for filmmakers who demand top-tier video performance in a compact form factor, the FX32 is rumored to bring game-changing features to the table. FX32 key features and rumors. 12MP full-frame sensor. Optimized for low-light performance and cinematic dynamic range. Global shutter technology. If Sony includes a global shutter, this could eliminate rolling shutter distortion, making it ideal for action-packed scenes and high-speed cinematography. 4K 180 frames per second and 8K possibility. The FX32 is expected to support 4K recording at up to 180 frames per second for ultra-smooth slow motion. While 8K recording remains speculative, Sony could surprise us with a future-proofed high-resolution recording mode. Advanced cooling and silent operation. Unlike the FX3, which relies on an internal fan, the FX32 might feature an innovative passive cooling system, allowing for longer recording times without added noise. Enhanced color science and internal ND filters. With 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, improved S-Log profiles, and enhanced skin tone rendering, the FX32 is likely to deliver cinematic image quality straight out of the camera. Pricing and availability. The FX32 is expected to be priced between $3,800 and $4,200, reflecting its premium cinema-grade features. A mid-2025 release is anticipated, aligning with Sony's strategy of delivering industry-leading compact cinema cameras. Final thoughts. Should you upgrade to the Sony A7V or FX32? If you're a hybrid shooter looking for a camera that excels in both photography and videography, the Sony A7V is shaping up to be a solid investment. With AI-driven autofocus, improved 6K oversampling, and potentially the best stabilization in its class, the A7V is designed for content creators who demand versatility. On the other hand, if you're a filmmaker searching for a compact yet powerful cinema camera, the Sony FX32 might be the better choice. With rumored global shutter technology, improved thermal management, and high frame rate recording, the FX32 is looking like a major contender in the cinema camera space. As we inch closer to the official announcement, keep an eye on this space for more updates. Let me know in the comments. Are you more excited about the A7V or the FX32? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest camera news. See you in the next video. Stay creative and keep shooting.